Are you tired with these problems in your home decoration? Tails fall off, yellowing, turning black, dirty, bacterial breeding, which not only has bad influence in aesthetics but also harmful for health. To solve these problems, Kastar Adhesive Co. Limited spent 3 years researching, 1 year testing. Finally, Kastar Ceramic Tail Sealant was successfully launched in 2017, which brought a big renovation of gap filling and sealing. Ceramic tail sealant is 2 components with the latest technology, mainly made of epoxy resin, hardener, and high-quality pigments. Compared with traditional white cement ground, only black and white color available. But ceramic tail sealant has 26 colors. And white cement ground easily become dirty and moldy, not waterproof. But ceramic tail sealant can last as new for over 30 years. Because first, it is anti-corrosion, anti-acid, and alkali. Second, high and no temperature resistance. Dirt and water resistance. Third, good toughness, high hardness. And ceramic tail sealant can be used directly, but white cement ground needs stir before using, more complicated. Here below are the advantages of Kastar ceramic tail sealant. Curing agent, no impurities. Cosmetic grade pigments, shining colors. No flowing on the wall. Kastar ceramic tail sealant tube is 100% new raw materials, not recycled material. Kastar has a unique design with gear at the bottom of tube to ensure full weight. Kastar ceramic tail sealant passed the ROSE, CE, ISO certificates, approved factory certificates, and authorized certificates. How to use Kastar ceramic tail sealant? There are 2 ways. Textured paper construction method, usually for uneven surface tails. First, clean the tail joint. Second, scrape and remove the tail joint to 2 mm. Third, use masking tape along the tail. Fourth, squeeze a small volume from the nozzle tape and discard. Fifth, squeeze the ground into the tail joint. Sixth, repeat grounding on the place cross. Use a ball-shaped tool to press into the groove. Seventh, remove the masking tape, then finish it. Another way is direct construction method. It's simple and convenient, suitable for large area construction. First, squeeze the ground into the joint directly. Second, use a ball-shaped tool to press into the groove. Third, remove the excess ground with the blade scraper. Kastar ceramic tail sealant is a new product, higher profit than adhesive already existed now. Do you want to be our solo agent in your country? Please contact me for more details.